Welcome to 100x Only, where today we're going to talk about the NEAR protocol. As always, we're going to start from the top on the yearly chart. What do we have here? We have a token that was up about 10x in 2021, and we are here in 2022. Today is May 2nd, 2022, and it's down about 18%. As of right now, it's an inside candle, looking like a lot of the crypto charts for tokens that had huge upside last year. The only level to mark up here is going to be this $14.62. It was the closing of 2021 and a key level that we will be watching. Moving to the quarterly chart, there's two other levels to mark up here. One is the breakout of the range that happened in the beginning of 2021 when all tokens in crypto pretty much were rallying to the upside. And the other one is the bottom of that range, which is the $1.39. So NEAR was in a range, and then as it happened in many cases, it broke to the upside, and we can see that it held inside candle, and as of right now, the quarter we're in is also consolidating in the top quartile of the chart. We're going to go to the monthly chart to really see how NEAR is very unique in its bullish setup. The other level to mark up here, which is very obvious, is this $10.15, which we're going to make green because it's the monthly chart. And this is a pivot that as of September 2021, it wasn't getting above. And then in October, it closed right there. And then we can see that the level, once it got above, then it retested, it briefly closed, you could say in February 2022 below, then right above again, and you can see that it tests and it can't break. So very special $10.15, very special $14. We are in this box here. But the other important thing about the NEAR cycle is it did raise in price in the beginning first half of 2021. Like most of crypto, this was the big bull run. And then in the crash, it also crashed. Nothing new. So this would correspond here in April 2021 to Bitcoin at around 60,000. And then in July, that's think Bitcoin 28,000. And then this is where NEAR starts to differentiate itself. That instead of hitting the previous resistance and then rolling over, which is what happened with Bitcoin and a lot of tokens, is that it continued to rally to the upside. So we see this is September, this is October, this is November. This is when crypto turned. This is when equity markets and growth tech stocks started crashing. And we can see that NEAR, showing tremendous relative strength, was actually making new closing highs on December 2021. And then Jan 2022 was an inside candle. And we saw another big retest of the 19s even in April. So tremendous relative strength. While everything has been crashing, NEAR is right here being accumulated near the top. And when things turn for crypto, this is probably one of those tokens that you're going to see new all-time highs. Here in the weekly chart, you can see that in just more granular view, which is rally up, short retracement, new high, another retest of this $7, big move, retracement back into the what? $7-8. This $7-8 is pretty clear being defended by the buyers. And we see another big move, and then we have a retracement, which in the fib, if we look, it is in about the 70% retracement level, bargain zone. We love to see this. We're then going to go into the daily chart to see, is there anything happening off this $10.15 that we know is very important? And what we see here is two more signs that this is probably a good trade to the upside. One, big downside candle followed by an outside reversal. Love that at a key level. And if you look at the RSI, guess what? It's been in a bullish regime since July of 2021. And for the first time, it just cracked that 20. And in bullish trends, this is what you want to be buying. You want to be buying a retest of the 30 RSI, which it did, at a key pivot. You got an outside reversal, meaning near term the buyers showed up when they should have. If we go to the 12-hour chart, you can see a little bit of consolidation, big candle, immediately rejected, and look at this, showing a little box right where it should. This is the 4-hour chart, one candle, right back at the top. If crypto can hold its ground, what this is probably looking like is a slight break here and quite an easy test of 1462. If it can break above, we may even be looking at this $17 level, which we're going to mark up here because it's pretty important. This is the last level before the all-time high, which if it's consolidating and breaking around here, it can mean new all-time highs for near. For one to get bearish at this point, it's really about us losing that outside reversal, which means we're doing a clean break below. In that case, if more downside is going to happen, it's probably a retest here and rolls over. And maybe you could even see as low as $6. Overall, though, near extremely bullish chart relative to a lot of tokens out there. The trend is positive, and all the things that we're seeing in the short term point to more upside. That's it. Let's see what happens. This is 100x only. We'll talk to you soon.